Welcome you all, New India Explorer exploring journey of Rabindranath Tagore's eternal abode, Shantiniketan. Rabindranath Thakur establishment of Vishwabharati University is the main reason for the extension, development, popularity of Bolpur and its surrounding villages like Shorul, Shupur, Raipur, Shian, Dihipara, Bollovpur, Koralpara and many more villages. Due to popularity, Bolpur is now known as an international city, but its core is still hold the origin as a typical village. If you visit Shantiniketan, you must visit Srijuni Shilpogram Complex, developed and maintained by Eastern Zonal Cultural Center, a combined platform to the community of creative artists and local artisans. You can experience the East and Northeast zonal states like West Bengal, Bihar, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Andaman's traditional hut made with mud, bamboo, straw, and also you can experience the beautiful mural artwork on the walls. The main objective of Shantiniketan is always about that learning should be a part of life's natural growth, and here you can experience that is very well. Here in Shantiniketan, we celebrate seasonal change that bring nature and Indian own color and beauty of varieties festivals that creates delightful environment like Poush Mela, Bosonto Utsav, Borsha Mongol, Briksharopon and Holokorshan, Nandon Mela and many more. You not only experience art, culture and music here, Shantiniketan holds our tradition as well. Rabindranath Thakur's vision about Shantiniketan gives us new dimension that authentically attractive, instinctively Indian yet totally secular. While enjoying and exploring art and culture with greenery environment, you can also enjoy soulful baul song here. Following the Rabindranath Thakur's vision about rural reconstruction, here in Srijuni Shilpogram, they also promotes local arts and craftsmen to give them sustainable employment to the village artisans. Along with enjoying nature, if you want to shop something for your friends and families, here you can shop with great quality and reasonable price. You can buy from here different Shantiniketan bags, purse, clutches, dress material in katha stitch, batik prints, blouse pieces along with variety of handmade jewelry with stone, jute, brush, bamboo, sails and many more objectives. After purchasing some of local art and craft work as a remembrance of Shantiniketan, let's enjoy the soulful musical environment. Visitors of Shantiniketan instantly get connected with these local folk songs and extremely enjoy and dance with these songs. Birbhum district, also known as Rangamati Desh or Lal Mati Desh, and people of this red soil are extremely welcoming. You can instantly feel connected with them. So, you must enjoy the dance with local tribal group in Bolpur Shantiniketan. After enjoying some beautiful moment in Srijoni Shilpogram, we are going to explore some more must-have shopping destination in Shantiniketan. Shonazhuri Hat. Previously, the haat only organized in Fridays, but now due considering the visitors' preferable time in the weekend, now it's organized Saturdays and Sundays as well for maximizing the sales. Carry forwarding Tagore legacy and focus on rural development and rural reconstruction, different organizations like Amar Kutir Cooperative Society keep focusing on give local people the skill of different art and craft work like designer leather craft, printing batik in cloths, katha stitch work. This skill make these people empowered, and this market give these people a huge marketplace. You must give some plenty of time in this market to explore these different varieties of stalls. Some are selling instrument, some are selling clothes, some are selling jewelry, and someone sell beautiful artwork. And all of these are made and manufactured by local artists. In some of the stalls, artists make your customized product in front of you. So, if you visit Shantiniketan, you must visit Shonazhuri Hat and can make some purchases in reasonable price from this hat as well. Once you visit Shantiniketan, then you can understand why Rabindranath Tagore chose this place as the abode of peace. Once she described Shantiniketan as she is our own, the darling of our hearts, Shantiniketan. In the shadows of our trees we met, in the freedom of our open sky, our dreams are rocked in her arms. Her face is a fresh wonder of love every time we see her, for she is our own, the darling of our hearts. If you like our exploring safar in Shantiniketan, please like the video. Also, don't forget to comment below. For see such more video, do consider subscribing our channel New India Explorer. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching the video.